The Siemens plant in Karlsruhe is a reliable partner when it comes to the manufacture of high-quality components for automation technology. The challenge for us, on the one hand, the number of product variants increases steadily, but on the other, we're less and less able to predict the demand. That's why we've already implemented many measures to make our own processes more flexible. The material quantities that we need at the Siemens plant in Karlsruhe are enormous, well over 1 billion components per year, spread over several thousand types. This is precisely the reason why we set up a digital supply chain with Wuerth Industrie Service. Through digital connectivity, we connect our production with the IT systems and ensure that sufficient fasteners are always automatically supplied. Wuerth Industrie Service regards itself as a partner who, together with its customers, digitalizes and automates the supply of C parts. This enables our customers to respond quickly and reliably to changes in demand, and that at lower handling costs. Every material is supplied in these containers. There's an RFID transponder on the side of every container, which is used to identify the material. If a worker now returns an empty container and places it on iShelf, it is automatically captured, transmitted via mobile communications, and booked as consumption in our system. This digital connection enables us to initiate subsequent deliveries demand-oriented, on time, and automatically. For the first time, we've connected iShelf via the Scalence and mobile communications router, having used Siemens products in other Kanban solutions for years, and also obtained RFID transponders from Siemens. The quality and performance of the Siemens components truly convinced us. The devices are absolutely industrial grade, suitable for a variety of applications, and easy to commission. In other words, the perfect prerequisite for successful projects. We see considerable advantages for the plant. For one thing, we can significantly reduce our cost for our C parts management. Even more important to us, though, is the improved process quality. No more hectic activities because needed parts are missing. Instead, satisfied customers whom we can reliably supply with their products. Greater flexibility at lower costs. This is what digital connectivity achieves in real use. It's not what you see, it's what you get.